Hello everyone, welcome to Read, Listen and Speak. In this video, we are going to read another story. Never give up. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, like and share this video. So let's begin. In this story, a hummingbird fetches a drops of water to help put out great forest fire. The other birds laugh at her, but the bird replies, I'm doing what I can. Let's read whole story. Once upon a time there was a little hummingbird. It loved to fly and hum sweet melodies. One day it saw a big fire in the forest. All the animals were scared and ran away. But the tiny hummingbird decided to help. It flew back and forth, carrying drops of water in its beak, trying to put out the fire. The other bird laughed and said, "Ha ha ha, you are too small. You cannot make a difference." But the brave hummingbird did not give up. It kept humming and carrying water, doing its best to help. The hummingbird's determination inspired to the other birds. They joined in to help too. Together they worked hard and eventually the fire was put out. The little hummingbird showed that even the smallest creatures can make a big difference when they never give up and try their best. And from that day on, the birds learned to appreciate the power of determination and never giving up. This story highlights the hummingbird's commitment and belief in the power of small. I hope this is enjoyable for you. Please subscribe this channel for more stories. Thanks for watching.